I'm going to show you why checkout automation is what is next in e-commerce. Checkout automation is when you can boost revenue and profit by combining data and buyer behavior to present the right offer at the right time to the right person. We're going to talk about something we call the late inning payment plan. Payment plans are super popular for digital products. Whether you're selling a seat inside of your next cohort training, you're selling an expensive service or a high-ticket course, it's super common for digital creators to include multiple ways for someone to pay for whatever it is that you're selling. Well, here's a little checkout automation magic fairy dust that you can sprinkle over those payment plans to make more money from them. Do not offer your payment plan right alongside your pay in full immediately. So if you have a webinar that visitors attend, the end of the webinar shouldn't offer a payment plan, or at least not right away. Present your audience with one option, pay in full. And then as the days get closer and you get closer to your deadline to buy, then introduce your payment plan. Keeping the payment plan back until the late innings, sorry, baseball reference, will make you more money because more customers are going to jump and pay in full. And then introducing the payment plan acts as another reason for your audience to reconsider whatever it is that you're selling. People get banner blindness very quickly. So the sheer event of introducing a payment plan gives somebody another reason to come back and look again at your offer. And bonus points if you introduce the payment plan the day before you close down the special offer for good. The added conversion boost from the countdown timer and the special payment plan are going to act like a conversion boosting trampoline, but instead of falling and breaking your arm, you just get a ton of new paying customers. To put this into practice, take your sales page and just duplicate it inside of SamCart. On the newly created duplicate, add your payment plan as an option for visitors. So you'll have one page that just has the pay in full and a second page that has pay in full and the payment plan. For the first day or two after a webinar for a big promotion, just send your visitors to the pay in full page. And as your offer starts to close down, start sending people to the duplicated page where they can choose which option is right for them.